Sak passe, my name is Captain Ayiti, and I'm so excited to invite you to join your voice to mine and sing along with Ayiti.
Let's sing along with Ayiti. To heal all the wrongs to Ayiti. Let's bring along with Ayiti. To feel as strong as Ayiti.
Huge announcement with the team of Horizon Vert. They bring the produce from Ayiti and make them appear to your doorstep. How many containers full of Haitian products have you successfully exported from Ayiti last year? 28. 28 containers, so it has been done before. The goal is to fill up this warehouse with Haitian products from Haiti. I will sort these products and send them directly to your doorstep. My challenge is to join 1,804 voices from all cultures and sing along so loud that the world will finally hear about all the naturally grown produce that Ayiti has to offer to humanity. Don't wait. Bring your friends and family to have fun with me and Tony Choi at Where You At Studio. And let's sing along with Ayiti. Book your recording session now at keepingithaitian.com. And do me a favor, share this with any Haitian you know or any celebrity.